A small living room can become one of the most attractive and comfortable areas of an apartment when every design decision is made with intention. Rather than trying to make a compact room resemble a large one, minimalist design embraces its proportions and focuses on creating harmony between comfort, functionality, and visual simplicity. The right furniture arrangement, carefully selected colors, smart storage solutions, and thoughtful decorative details can make even a modest living room feel open and inviting. With a few practical strategies, homeowners and apartment dwellers can create a stylish interior that feels organized without becoming sterile or overly simple. Start with the main function of the room. Before arranging furniture, determine how the living room will primarily be used. A space intended for relaxing and watching television will require a different arrangement from one designed for reading, entertaining guests, or occasionally working from home. Once the primary function is clear, identify the most important furniture pieces. In most apartments, the sofa becomes the central element. Position it so that it provides comfortable seating while allowing people to move naturally through the room. Avoid adding furniture simply because there is an empty corner. Empty space is valuable in minimalist interiors and can make the room feel more breathable. Use a sofa as the visual anchor. The sofa typically occupies more space than any other piece of living room furniture, making its position particularly important. For a narrow apartment, placing a compact sofa against the longest wall can create a more efficient arrangement. A low-profile sofa can also make the ceiling appear higher and prevent the room from feeling visually heavy. Designs with exposed legs are useful because they allow more of the floor to remain visible. For apartments that frequently accommodate guests, consider a compact modular sofa. Its individual sections can potentially be rearranged depending on the occasion, giving the room greater flexibility without requiring additional seating furniture. Create conversation-friendly arrangements. A minimalist living room should not be arranged solely around a television. If the space is used for socializing, arrange seating so that people can comfortably face one another. A sofa paired with one or two lightweight chairs can create a simple conversation area. Instead of choosing identical chairs, select complementary shapes and materials to introduce subtle visual interest. If the room is extremely small, an ottoman can provide additional seating without permanently occupying the same amount of space as a traditional armchair. Make corners work harder. Unused corners are common in small apartments, but they can become functional extensions of the living room. A narrow floor lamp and comfortable chair can create a compact reading nook. A tall plant can soften an empty corner while adding natural character. Another option is a slim shelving unit that provides storage without extending too far into the room. When using corner furniture, choose pieces with simple silhouettes so that the area remains visually light. The objective is not to fill every corner, but to give useful spaces a clear purpose. Select furniture with hidden storage. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in a small apartment. Minimalist design becomes much easier to maintain when everyday objects have designated places to disappear. Consider a TV console with closed compartments, a coffee table with drawers, or an ottoman with internal storage. These pieces can keep blankets, books, electronic accessories, and other belongings organized while preserving a clean visual appearance. Closed storage is especially effective because it reduces the number of visible objects. Open shelving can still be used, but reserve it for carefully selected decorative items rather than miscellaneous possessions. Use rugs to establish visual boundaries. A rug can help define the living room, especially in an open-plan apartment. Instead of relying on walls to separate spaces, a properly positioned rug visually establishes where the living area begins and ends. Choose a rug that is large enough to connect the primary furniture pieces. A rug that is too small can make the furniture arrangement appear disconnected. For minimalist interiors, subtle patterns or solid neutral colors are generally easier to integrate with the rest of the room. Texture can provide interest without introducing excessive visual complexity. Let walls and ceilings work together. Vertical design can dramatically improve the sense of space. Tall curtains positioned close to the ceiling can emphasize the height of the room, while narrow vertical shelving can provide storage without taking up much floor space. Wall-mounted lighting is another effective solution. Sconces and floating lamps eliminate the need for bulky floor or table lamps, freeing up surfaces for other purposes. If artwork is used, choose pieces that complement the proportions of the room. One substantial artwork can often create a stronger focal point than a collection of small frames. Introduce natural materials for warmth. Minimalist rooms can sometimes appear overly cool when dominated by white, gray, and smooth surfaces. Natural materials provide an easy way to introduce warmth. Wooden furniture, woven baskets, linen fabrics, cotton cushions, and natural fiber rugs can soften the appearance of a modern apartment. These materials also create subtle differences in texture, making a simple color palette more interesting. Plants can have a similar effect. A few carefully positioned plants can introduce freshness without turning the living room into a crowded indoor garden. Use mirrors strategically. Mirrors can be particularly helpful in compact living rooms because they reflect light and create visual depth. Rather than covering an entire wall with multiple small mirrors, consider using one large mirror as a deliberate focal point. Positioning a mirror where it can reflect a window, light source, or attractive part of the room can make the interior feel brighter. A frameless or simply framed design is often appropriate for a minimalist aesthetic. However, mirrors should be used intentionally. Too many reflective surfaces can make a room feel visually busy rather than spacious. Keep decorations simple but meaningful. Minimalism does not require eliminating personality. Instead, it encourages choosing fewer objects with greater intention. Display a favorite piece of artwork, a distinctive ceramic vase, a small collection of books, or an object with personal significance. Grouping a few related items together can create a stronger visual statement than scattering numerous decorations around the room. A useful principle is to leave some surfaces partially empty. This negative space allows the objects you do display to receive more attention. Design for everyday comfort. Style is important, but a living room ultimately needs to work for everyday life. Choose seating that is genuinely comfortable, provide adequate lighting for different activities, and make frequently used items easy to access. Layered lighting can transform a small room throughout the day. Combine general illumination with a floor lamp, table lamp, or wall light to create different levels of brightness. Warm, comfortable lighting in the evening can make a minimalist space feel considerably more inviting. Finally, remember that the best apartment layout is one that reflects the way you actually live. A minimalist living room should simplify daily life rather than impose unnecessary restrictions.